Happy weekend, everyone. Welcome to our weekend analysis this evening. I hope you had a lovely week and are ready for this coming week. So, before we even begin, please note that we still have the 25% discount of all products using the code FUNDED25. The offer ends on the 2nd of March 2026. So, make sure you grab yourself an account before the promo ends. So let's begin starting with the dollar index. So the dollar index right now, it started off, of course, last week coming all the way up. The week started and we had a weak dollar for the remainder of the week. Right now, we seem to be in between break even and stop loss. So for this coming week, we are still bullish on the dollar. That's one thing. So come Monday, I do think we might be making a new high over here, then probably even reaching the target. If not, then our stop loss will just be hit. Let's move over to euro dollar. So euro dollar is also in the same scenario. We are in between break even and stop loss. So we're hoping that next week we continue down to the downside and possibly make a new low here. If we do make a new low about below here, then we can move our stop loss to break even. Then dollar index, or rather dollar yen. Dollar yen managed to do well here. Immediately when the market opened, we came all the way down. First gap to the upside, then we came all the way down, got filled. Our stop loss was still here. And within 2 days, he hit the take profit just right there. So what are we anticipating for next week? Well, first of all, we have reached a level of support here and here, whichever way you want to look at it. And it seems like we might be reversing off this point. So come next week, I do believe that what we could be looking for on dollar yen is a buying opportunity, not even too far off. So we might actually even set our stop loss just right below here, and then I'll take profit all the way up here. So this is what we could be aiming for, around 167. So that is my anticipation for next week with dollar yen, and this could be a great 6 to 1. So I'm really looking forward to seeing this pan out. Then pound yen also had the same scenario. Come Monday, it got filled, not even wasting time, took out our take profit. And right now, it seems we are also similar here at the level of support. So we might actually be coming all the way up next week, but the move to the upside might not even be all of that. So we might just put our stop loss just right below here, unless the market really wants to do something crazy. So we can put our stop loss just right below this previous support level, and we could be aiming to come all the way up here. But I think the best scenario here is probably putting a pending order just right above this buy stop there. That is where I think is best, rather than just entering into this market. And then we can move our stop loss just below here, just below the previous low. So this could be a nice 3 to 1. And then dollar Mexican got stopped down. Right now, it seems we're just consolidating in the moment. So for now, we probably would be looking for some selling opportunities, since even the sentiment seems to be to the sell side. So if we do have a push to the downside, we might actually be looking for some sell opportunities with the high stop loss over there. As for the target, let's move over to the weekly and see what we can get. The target, we could be coming all the way down here to this support level. This is where I think we can come down to, and that could be around 16.51. So that is what we can anticipate on dollar Mexican for this coming week. So we could be coming all the way down here for this coming week if we do have price breach all the way below. Yeah, so that is my anticipation. So if we have price breach all the way below here, having a higher stop loss above this consolidation, then this is what we can anticipate for next week for the market to come all the way down to this area up to 16.51. And then CAD Swiss. So CAD Swiss, we got stopped out unfortunately, but the bias is still to the downside. And already we are seeing that it's trying to push to this support level over there. So come next week, we can be looking to put like a sell stop right there. Then we could be aiming to just take out the support level right there with a high stop loss there, which is more of a less of one-to-one trade right here. But this is what the market is giving us. So we'll probably take this opportunity to grab whatever the market can give us for now. Then pound dollar. Pound dollar is actually held for a while here. Yeah, so it hasn't done much lately. It got filled and we seem to be going all the way up. So if we make a new high above here, I think it will be best to look to move this to break even. Then gold. Also gold got filled and we're currently in the loss. Still aiming to go to the upside, so let's see how this goes next week. If we do manage to come all the way up here to 5,300, then maybe we can also move this to break even. Then NAS 100. So NAS 100 is in a loss, but still holding. We are still looking to come all the way up. We're halfway to break even and halfway to stop loss, but we're looking to come all the way up here to make a new high. Then Bitcoin, we're currently in a loss, but overall we did quite well. The market came all the way up, then it finally got filled over here, and we are still aiming to come all the way down here to 59,000. Then Ethereum, unfortunately, we did not have an opportunity to get into this trade. Right now, even the sentiment is still to the sell side. So next week, let's probably look into get into some shorting opportunities and probably would be looking to come maybe all the way to 1,500, just around the number somewhere there. So if the market does come all the way down, we can put a stop loss right about there. So this is what we are aiming for next week. Just for the market to come all the way down here and fill our sell stop. So this is where we end in terms of our analysis this evening. I hope you found it informative. And one more time, don't forget we have the 25% discount. The promo code FANDIN25 ends on the 2nd of March at 10 AM CET. So make sure you grab yourself an account before this promo ends. And I do hope you have a jolly good week and a profitable week as we begin the week as well. And happy trading.